Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'm gonna tell you how's the market today and how the market can perform tomorrow. So as you know that the market was volatile, very volatile today. It made a high and then suddenly it fall. See, as I have already told you that market cannot run continuously upside for a longer period of time. Suppose it goes up for 1 day, 2 day, 3 days. Okay, then it had to hold for some time, then it can go up. Okay, this is what the market, how the market moves. See what it did, it went up, halted, went up, halted for some time and then came down again, was continuously up and then came down. So this is how market moves. Market cannot move directly like this, or market cannot move directly like this. Okay, so what market did today? Market was 2-3 days was continuously in uptrend. Okay, after that it retraced a bit and then it was in continuous upside. But now what happened today? The market was continuously fallen so much, around 32,800 to 32,000. Okay, around 32,050 or something like this. Okay, so what happened today for the market? See, market opened at a very good level. Okay, at this level, and after that it was continuously in this particular range. As I've already told you, if the 2-3 candles are there in the first 15-minute candle, and then if a breakout happens, then there can be a chances it can go high. See what happened at this level, it was in this particular range for some time and then it made a breakout at upper level. Okay, and then we bought, I have given you a call at this level. Okay, and after that what happened at this level, there's so much of put writer were there. Okay, so they got trapped at this level. 10 rupees premium went to 470. You can imagine the type of market has fallen from around at this level 32,800 to around 32,000, which was a big big support. 32,450 was first support I've told you. After that the market continuously was falling at this level. If those who have made a good profit can comment in my description. I have already told you yesterday that market can consolidate a bit because it was continuously making up trend for 2-3 days continuously. See what market did today. See at this level it was in this particular range. After that what it did today, as you know, it was a Thursday expiry. It was trying to move so hard, but it gave one side movement at this level. So now what you have to do tomorrow, if the market opens above 32,740, then there is chances that market can go up. Okay, and if the market, this is a very resistance level. Okay, and second resistance level is 32,600. okay, now the market got close at this level. So if the market opens above 32,300, okay, then wait for some time, let it cross 32,350, then we can take a call upside. Or if the market opens below 32,000, 31,000 or below 32,000, there is chances that the market can fall again. Okay, and we can take 31,650 as a support. Okay, as our second support, and first support 31,800. This you have to understand. Now let's talk about Nifty. What Nifty did today, as I will told you, if the candle moves in this particular range for some time, on the 15 minutes candle are moving in this particular range, see this level, and then after the breakout at this level, where I have told you to buy a call. It was continuously at this level, and the full profit we have took. Okay, so we have to understand when to enter the market, when not to enter the market. You can join my Telegram channel where I've given a call as well as put to buy with a proper stop loss, and you can join my workshop also. I'll give the link in the description, where I have told you, where I will teach you where to enter and when to exit, where to average the position, where not to average the position, where to exit and where not to exit, plus how much quantity to use. You can check for the description and mail me at that the mail ID I've given in the description. So now let's talk about how the market performed. See, market was in this particular range for till 2 o'clock, and then it made a sharp fall. The premium were not increasing the way it was. Okay, and then after breaking this 14,690, it came directly to 14,519. Okay, so at this level we have to understand this was a big support. 450, 500 was a big support, and then came directly 14,600 was a big support and came directly to 516. So if one has to understand that if the market fall, see what market did. It halted for some time and then again fall, and continuously it was falling, and this at this level. Now we have to understand 14,520 is a big resistance now, big support. Okay, so if falls below this level, then there is chances market can go more down. Okay, so now what to do tomorrow? If the market opens above 14,650, then there is chances that we can give a call, we can take a call. Or if the market opens below 14,540 or 500, then there is chances market can fall more. Okay, and can reach a level of 14,450. Okay, so let's wait for the first 15-minute candle and then we'll trade accordingly. If you like the channel,